Oh, is he still on?
Oh yeah. There you go.
Alright, we got, I don't know if it's a hog or not. Oh, it ain't a hog, I don't think. Finally got one on the frog. I don't think it's the hog that we're looking for. That's a good one. It's like opening presents around here. Where the fuck is my line at? You never know what you're going to get till you take the seaweed off. It's not the full-blown hog, but it is this light. Oh, he's fat, dude. Look, it's revealing. Oh, he's got the whole. He almost swallowed it. He missed it once. I brought it right back to him, and yeah, it's not a hog, but. It's a fat one. Not bad. Not the hog we're looking for, but we're going to record it every time we think we have a hog on, so you guys can get a look at what we're dealing with. This is still not the biggest that's out here, just so you guys know, and you will see one here soon. Alright, we'll get back to you. Like and subscribe. My Bass Fishing TV. Oh yeah, he's a hog. There you go, YouTube. Got a hog. Hog on the frog. And that's still not the biggest though. It's fat. Chill out. There's that hook at. You ain't hooking me. Yeah, it's still not the biggest. That's not even close to the biggest. But it is another hog. He's fat, dude. He's heavy. Gotta love it. We'll get back to you when we catch a bigger hog than this. Like and subscribe. Bass Fishing TV.